Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you two different effects. One is kind of 3D wall effect, which is gonna look like this, and the other one is 3D falling effect, which is gonna look like this. You have seen this effects in several Hollywood movies like Inception, Doctor Strange movies. So why not create our own? So we are going to create this effect in Photoshop. So let's open up Photoshop. Okay, so after opening Photoshop, just open the image you want to work on. So down, I'm going to work on this image for this tutorial. So I have downloaded this image from pixels.com. So here is the image. We are now work on this. So first of all, create the wall effect, 3D wall effect. So just Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer, and now press Ctrl+T. Now right click, flip horizontal, and again right click and rotate 90 degree clockwise, not counterclockwise, clockwise. Okay, now place it here, and the margins are completely like this. Don't resize it, don't move it, just place it like that. Okay, done. Now take the pen tool. Okay, now disable the background layer. Disable the background layer just to see this point exactly. Okay, there is no other reason for that. Okay, now press Ctrl+Enter just to make the selection and press the mask tool. Okay, now enable the background layer. Now see, we have created the 3D wall effect here in just about 1 minute or less. Yeah, like that. Okay, so this is kind of okay. This works with every kind of image. Okay, so we have made 3D wall effect, and now we are going to create the 3D falling effect. Okay, so you can start from all over again, or I'm just going to do it from here. Okay, so now just just select the mask. Okay, see the focus is here, and now press Ctrl+I, invert. Okay, it's inverted. Yeah. Now just select the move tool and drag it here. Okay, done. It's not matched, don't worry about it, just match it here. Okay, now unlink the mask from the picture. Okay, yeah, it unlinked. Now select the picture, select the move tool, and now adjust it how you want the image. Now okay, now see, this is perfectly matched and the image is looking pretty good, I have to say. Okay, so this is the 3D falling effect. So both the effects are looking so good and so simple to do it your own. Okay, so create this kind of create this effect and have fun, create some amazing art with these techniques. So this is all for today. Hope you guys will like it, and if you have any question or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section, and see you in the next videos.